If you've forgotten your Viber password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open Viber. Launch the Viber app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the password reset process. Step 2. Go to Settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRO to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Account. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Account option. This section contains all the information related to your Viber account, including password settings. Step 4. Choose Reset Password. Look for the Reset Password option within the account settings. Tap on it, and you will be prompted to enter your phone number associated with your Viber account. Step 5. Follow instruction. After entering your phone number, follow the on-screen instructions to receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app, and you will be guided to set a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log back into your Viber account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Viber support for further assistance.